What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. And this time we're going to be installing a tempered glass screen protector, and this is from the company Rhinoshield. It's an anti-scratch, 9H hardness, perfect optical clarity screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's check it out. First thing we want to do is actually get this open. So when opening this, they provide a little tab right here. You just release that tab and then pull everything else out of the box. And we're going to look at what we have right here. Taking that out of the pack. I'm sure this is a cleaning kit, installation kit. That's what it says. And then you actually get the screen right here. Sit the screen down. Now, before you do any of this, make sure that your phone is completely off, because you want to cut down on all the static electricity that may come from that screen, and that may attract dust and dirt. So you get this open, and you got a couple of things in here. You got a terry cloth, number one. Then you got a little card that's going to help you smooth it out, and you have your dust removers right here, and you actually have your guide stickers as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get all this set up, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do the install on this. So stay tuned. Okay, so first thing we got to do is actually clean this screen off, making sure there's no dust, no fingerprints, no dirt, because if you get any of that trapped behind that glass, it's back there. And like I said, the phone should be off. Now it actually comes with these dust stickers. One dust sticker and the guide stickers. Now, I'm not a big fan of guide stickers. I'll just let you guys know. I'd rather just line it up on my own. So I'm taking my dust sticker, getting any excess dust, dirt, anything that may be floating around in the room. And now we take the piece of glass, and I'm gonna basically just peel this down. Like that. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna line it up right with that speaker and gonna drop it on, and I'm gonna take that little card that they give you and just watch all the air bubbles just go right on out of there. And there we go. Now, I don't like I said, I don't like to use guide stickers just every now and then, especially on tempered glass screens. I'm going to turn this on. I don't really like using guide stickers on tempered glass screens because they don't bend. It's better to use guide stickers on like film type screen protectors, because the film does bend and you can shape it and mold it, but on these they don't bend. So it's best just to kind of line it up with your landmark, which my landmark was my earpiece up here, and just go for it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, I see one little air bubble right over here. I'm just gonna take my microfiber cloth and just wipe that out. Tap that screen. Let's unlock it. Got it unlocked, and it really looks good. Looks nice, looks premium, goes edge to edge. There are no issues with that. I give it a big thumbs up. You get that same clarity. Works good with the finger. There are no issues. Everything looks good with this tempered glass screen protector from Rhinoshield. So I'm gonna drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Remember, this is the Rhinoshield tempered glass screen protector, 9H hardness, anti-scratch, and optical clarity, which I can attest to the optical clarity. I have not dropped it yet. Hopefully I won't drop it, but if I drop it, the glass should break and my screen should not be cracked. If there are any drops or any issues, I'll let you guys know. But for right now, I like it just because the clarity is still there and my touch sensitivity is still 100% on point. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.